Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's good to be back here, and in this video I'll be looking at my 2024, and while I'm looking at my 2024, from there I'll also be giving out some lessons I've learned running through my year 2024 and how it has impacted my decisions for 2025, and also the decisions you need to make and plans you need to make for 2025. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while here that I've dropped a video, and hopefully this is me coming back fully, because 2025 I want to be dropping more videos that can help you. The goal is to get to teach at least 1 billion persons, people out there, how you can turn your passion into profit. So make sure you are subscribed and make sure you follow through my videos for 2025. Let's jump right in. Alright, so for this video I'm basically going to be looking at some of the decisions that I made. I have my 2024 diary right here, and this diary is actually very special to me because it had spaces where I could write down my plans and goals for each month, and that practically helped me to keep track of my progress and also write down my learnings for each month. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But I'm just going to be going through it from January up until December. I'll definitely not be telling you everything, but just get to share the ideas and some of the lessons I learned through this journey. So beginning of this year, January, I was aiming for 10,000 followers on Instagram and 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I had learned and watched 10 videos on Forex. So early this year, when the year started, I really wanted to learn, get to know everything about Forex trading and master the game. I've been trading before now, like 2 years from now, but then I really wanted this year to be my fresh start, or 2024 to be my fresh start, depending on when you're seeing this video anyways. So I really wanted 2024 to be my first start in the Forex industry, and I took out time learning it. But then I couldn't hit my 10,000 followers on Instagram because my Instagram has been having some issues. I keep seeing followers coming in. I keep getting the notification, but the numbers keep reducing. All right, but I'm currently considering beginning fresh on Instagram and just see how my followers go from there. My YouTube, I moved my YouTube beginning of January. I had just about 200 and something subscribers, and right now, currently, as at the time I'm shooting this video, I have 723 subscribers. So through the year, I added just about 400 new subscribers, which is a big win, and I'm proud of it. But I did not hit my 10,000 subscriber goal for January. This was for January alone. I had this really big goal. Got to watch the 10 videos I wanted to watch on Forex, and then I uploaded 2 videos per week on YouTube. That's January, 2 videos per week. I was able to do that for the month of January, and I wanted to start out this thumbnail agency, which I'm not going to share all the details, but there's something working. So there's something in the works for that aspect. But then we strategized and came up with the whole plan as at January, and yes, that's it for that. Worked on a brand identity for a fashion brand, and I had a goal to fix my phone at the time, which I did, and other things that came in. So I did not meet up with all of them, but what I wrote here in my lens is I slacked a bit and didn't hit on my objective, but there's big progress. So for my Forex, I started learning Forex, and there was big progress with my work and what I was learning. So as of February, I wanted to put out 8 videos on YouTube. I didn't create videos for a brand of mine. I couldn't. I wanted to make $1,000 in Forex, and I didn't. Okay, truth is I actually lost money February. I'm going through my goals right now. I'm like realizing how I lost so much beginning of the year. I lost a lot of money to Forex. I won't even lie. I was learning, but then I feel like experience is the best teacher. No matter how much you tell somebody about Forex that you have to be very, very disciplined and all, there's just something that will still allow you want to experience it, and by the time you've experienced that loss, you will learn from the process. So I lost a good amount of money February in Forex. I thought I had learned from it, but I think by March too, I lost another amount of money in Forex. I furnished my room. I had plans to furnish my room and do the painting, generator and all. I hit it. I hit that goal. Had a retreat with my guy friends. Had an interview with a big magazine, Giant magazine, big win for me. And studied my Bible and finish up with the sales case study, brand identity I worked on, and of course the one I did for Money Points in my leisure time. So basically me learning that I lost a lot. February, then March came with this thing. I lost about, I lost money into Forex again. I got a lot of capital, put it in, lost money again, lost a lot. You know, one particular night I was trading early hours of the day, and while I was trading, I thought I was about to hit something. I had up to 200% profit from that day's trade. How it happened, it was amazing. In fact, I already started seeing plans. I just wanted to hit a round figure. And I decided that I needed to hit a round figure before I can close for the trade and withdraw. My greed let me do that. And when I entered that trade, it was so clear. And the potential of me winning was very, very high. But somehow, I lost everything, both my profit and my capital. And I think that was March. And I mean, it was a learning process for me. And I absolutely learned from the experience. So running this through YouTube and all of that, and I had a goal for March to get a product design job, full-time job, which I did not get that much, but I think around June, July, I got an offer, and that is how my goals are just running through. I can't get on with reading everything. And one of the goals I had, I lost money up until April in Forex, until I took a short break to learn again and get back on it. Now, I'm way more disciplined with my trading. I make more profit than I lose, and I only trade when I know my head is down and I have the time to give it my focus and attention. So, but one of the big wins for me this year was I decided to start out, which is one of the reasons why I'm recording this video right now. I decided to start out a 100 days challenge to make, at first, the goal was to make 10 million naira in that 100 days. But then at some point I increased it to 100 million, right? And just to keep the energy high for me, and keep the bar very high. So, and what I had realized was for the first couple of months, for the first 6 months of 2024, I had realized that for the first 6 months of 2024, I wasn't able to make anything up more than 3M, for that first 6 months. But I decided to begin that journey. That was July. And when I said that 100 days journey, at the end of the journey, at the end of that 100 days, I realized that in just 100 days, having a focus put in my head to do the things I needed to do, I saw myself having hitting 10x of what I did in the first 6 months. And it made me realize the power of focus and intentionality and really having a plan to run with. And the ending of 2024 was really the year that's what really made the year for me. July to around May, I said I am my partner started a new brand, a content marketing agency that we call The Space, and launched it out that within the first 4 to 7 months now, we've been running for 7 months now, we've had amazing progress. So the goal for the agency is to just help give businesses and brands and people, creators, the space for you to come and shoot. If you don't have the gadgets, you don't have the space, and you don't also have the talent, you come to this space, you use our gadgets, use our space, and also use our experts. If you need to hire a talent to also follow you to, if you're an influencer, you need to hire a talent that will follow you to maybe an occasion or just document your whole vlog and all, and edit it and send to you, you get to hire that talent from the space. That's basically the idea behind the content marketing agency that we are building here at The Space. And so far it's been doing well. So the ending part of the last 6 months of 2024 was actually the big year for me, and it was where I got to learn a lot of lessons and and document a lot of experiences, have a lot of experiences that have shaped the way and the plans I have for 2025. Now, of course, it's time for me to close this journal and already have me a new diary for 2025. And the goal is to document the whole journey, write down my goals, make sure to hit them, and see what I can do. I always love to write. I mean, I can still show you all of my diaries and journals from 5 to 6 years ago, when I started being very intentional about documenting my whole, writing down everything I have in my head and my goals and my plans in a diary, in a journal. And this is basically what I'm here to encourage you to do for 2025. Probably you've not been having, the idea, or like Bible said, write the vision down, make it plain, so that what the herald might run with it, in the book of Habakkuk. So that is one powerful principle that's been guiding me for years. And I know the ideas I've written down and actualized, and how it is shaping my life and also impacting the persons around me. So on the other hand, this is me also telling you that for 2025, find a way. If you want to scale, you want to win big. In fact, I already decided to embark on another 100 days journey in 2025, beginning from 6th of January, where I get to embark on another 100 days to make 100 million. I'll keep doing this challenge until I hit my 100 days to make 100 million mark. And this is me telling you, have a target for yourself. Set that goal. It might not look feasible. I mean, we had a conference December, where we brought a few persons together. We call it the Mastermind Retreat, and we had them go through this practical experience where they get to write down, they get to figure out what their passion is and how to turn their passion to profit. We also had these persons who came for the Mastermind Retreat, write down their plans and how they are going to achieve this goal for 2025. So if you have not, now is the beginning of the year, with the tide and all of the ceremony and holiday energy, make our time right now to have a personal retreat. Write down, really look at, review your 2024. I've had time to do this, and I just give a brief rundown of how my year went, for 2024 to with you guys right now. Make our time, have a retreat, and write these things down. Review your 2024, write down your successes, your failures, your experiences, the things you achieved financially, personal development, spiritually, academically, everything, and use it to make better decisions that will help you in your 2025. Have a financial goal, and when you put out that financial goal, if your financial goal like me is 100M in 100 days, make out time to begin to map out strategies on how you need to carry, on how you can make that 100 million naira in 100 days. If it means showing up shamelessly on social media, do your vlog. Like right now, I'm here shooting a video for YouTube. I'm very intentional about shooting more videos for 2025 because I know that can contribute to my financial goal for the next 100 days. And as much as I'm doing this to impact you, I mean, that's the primary reason, but I also know the potentials that what YouTube can do for me as a creator. I have my businesses that are still running the space. I have another agency that is still building up, that I'm trying to build behind the scenes, that people don't know that I'm the one behind the brand, but still coming up. And I also have my design career. I'm a product designer, currently working with 2 companies, and still making moves to grow in my career path. So this is me telling you, for 2025, I need to be very intentional. Write down the goal and write down the plan to hit the goal. It's one thing to have your goals written down. It's another thing to write down your plans to hit that goal. So when you write down your goal, write down the plans to hit the goal and be intentional about achieving it. If you are looking for somebody to keep you accountable or keep you motivated, I mean, as much as I love to tell people, have an accountability partner or have a group of persons who encourage you, you need to find your own motivation. And like I always love to share, persons who keep looking for motivation or something that can keep them accountable, I tell them back to back again, just imagine you going back for your maybe your high school homecoming or your secondary school homecoming. Persons are coming with their rides, and persons are coming with their big Lambos and all of that, and their cars, their luxury cars and all, and you are driving in on a bike. Just imagine how that would feel. And if that's not motivation enough, just imagine you getting married, having your children, and you're on the road and your daughter is telling you, I want to buy this, and you just tell your daughter, don't worry, all of these things are vanity. You look for a reason because you cannot afford it as a father. So look at all of these things and find motivations that will keep you in check and make you want to stay focused on your plan for 2025. And I mean, with all of this in check, if you're able to write down your goals and plans to achieve them, you are going to definitely see significant results for 2025. You're also welcome to join me on the 100 days journey. And of course, by the grace of God, I'll be documenting all of this. I'll be documenting my whole journey through these 100 days and also be dropping it here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that journey, you don't miss the experience. I'm embarking on this journey with about 20 other persons. And if you want to join in, you can drop a comment or send me a DM and definitely we'll work things out. Officially, welcome to 2025 and welcome to Danny Amara's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.